Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of the 40-pound electric furnace in the making of these glass flower napkin rings. They're 2 gathers and they take under a minute to make. And because they take under a minute to make, I'm going to demonstrate them twice. I'm going to do one from a distance to show the movement and the process in the studio setting, and then I'm going to zoom in and demonstrate each particular part of the process from start to finish. Okay, let's get started. So I take the first gather and I flatten it out a little bit like this and quench it in the water. And then I take the second gather and then I pinch 5 petals with a little space between them and tip them in a little bit like this. And then as I grab each petal in a rotation, I slowly start to pull out the stem. And then I twist the stem a couple times like that and wrap it around this graphite rod. Cut it off with the scissors and fire polish the cut end. And throw it in the annealer. And then clean off the puntee. Like that. So here's the first gather. And I just press it down a little bit like that. The second gather almost submerges the first gather. Like that. And then I pinch 5 petals and tip them inwards a bit like this. And then as I grab each petal and pull it out a little bit, it forms the stem. And then I give it a little twist, pull it out, and wrap it around the core. And I like to cross over like that before cutting it off. There, so the scissors basically just thermal shock it a little bit, and it comes off on its own quite often. Sometimes I have to give it a little tap. And then fire polish that cut edge and throw it in the annealer. There, and you can see how the torch melts in the end of it nicely, so it's nice and smooth where it was cut. Alright, well, thanks for watching. In the next 6 months or so I'll be doing a lot more demonstration videos on what this nice little furnace can be used for.